Welcome to our channel. Switching your banking to Ali Bank is simplified with their Switch Kit, which helps you transfer automatic payments and direct deposits. Follow these step-by-step instructions to make the transition smoothly. Step 1. Open your Ally Bank account if you haven't already by visiting www.ally.com and completing the online application process. Step 2. Log into your Ally Bank account and look for the Switch Kit or Make the Switch option, typically found in the Account Tools or Services section. Step 3. Review your current bank account statements from the past 2 to 3 months to identify all automatic payments, direct deposits, and recurring transactions. Step 4. Use Ally's Switch Kit to generate a checklist of common transfers and payments you need to update, such as employer direct deposit, Social Security, bill payments, and subscription services. Step 5. Update your direct deposit information with your employer by providing them with your new Ally Bank routing number and account number. Step 6. Contact companies that automatically withdraw payments from your old account, such as utility companies, insurance providers, and subscription services, to provide your new Ally account information. Step 7. Keep both your old and new accounts open simultaneously for at least one billing cycle to ensure all automatic transactions transition smoothly without any missed payments. Step 8. Transfer the remaining balance from your old account to your Ally Bank account once all automatic transactions are successfully moved. Step 9. Monitor both accounts for 30 to 60 days to catch any overlooked automatic payments or deposits that might still be linked to your old account. Step 10. Close your old bank account once you're confident all transactions have been transferred and there are no pending charges or deposits. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel.